Let's see how to turn off virus protection in Windows 11. So click search, click start menu, then open settings. In the search box type security, open Windows security settings. Now on the left side click on Windows security, then click on virus and threat protection. Now this is going to be in the three-step procedure. So now on this screen we have to click manage settings and turn off all the toggle boxes like real protection. Click yes if prompted, then cloud delivered protection. Now this is the first page. I'll dismiss this setting. Okay, now turn off all the tick boxes. Now go back, scroll down and we are searching for privacy settings. Okay, so click on privacy settings, then turn off all this toggle boxes, then make them off. Now once this is done, click search, type task manager, open task manager, click file, run new task. Now click on browse button in C drive, open this file, follow my screen, tick this box and click OK and execute this command gp update. So it will update all the settings in real time and all the policies will be applied. So click exit